Guys, how to fix number keys not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And the first workaround is go to start button, right click on it and choose settings. Here from the left pane choose the option accessibility, click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option mouse, click on it. Mouse keys, turn the toggle button off against mouse keys. This is the first method when you will resolve the problem. And the second method is again go to the start button, right click on it, choose settings, again click on accessibility. From the right pane scroll down and you will find the option keyboard, click on it. Again scroll down and click on screen keyboard, turn the toggle button on, and on screen keyboard you will find the option click on option, and in Windows you will make the check against option turn on numeric keypad. Make the check against it and click on OK button to save.